Hey guys, today we're going to be rebuilding the front end on this truck behind me. I should have taken care of it while I was changing out that bushing in a previous video, but I just didn't have the parts, I didn't have the tools, and I was fixing that back to work. But now we got the tools, now we got the parts, and so we're gonna go and get her done. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these tires off, get it jacked up on some jack stands. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, y'all. Well, we got the tires off, and now we're gonna start taking out this front end. We're gonna go and take out the whole rack, make it easier on us to, because we got to do inners. We're gonna do inners and outers on this. So we're gonna go ahead and just take the whole rack out, and we'll rebuild it on the bench. So doing that, we're gonna be taking our pitman arm, idler arm, outer tie rods. Gonna be dropping all that, and our rack should just slide right on out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see y'all here in a bit. All right, y'all. Well, we got this drag link out and on the table in the vise. I went ahead and pulled this one out. I'm gonna do it one at a time so I don't get them mixed up. But so I'm gonna take the new one right here and thread it into the hole, and then get my outer tie rod and count these threads. That's the way I've always understood it whenever you're replacing these parts. Just count the threads and then tighten her down, and it should be close enough for you to get an alignment shop and get it really dialed in. But so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, tighten it down, and then start counting threads. All right, y'all, we got the new inners and outers on. And now I've got it fairly close. At least I think it's fairly close. But now we're gonna go ahead and see about slapping it back in the truck. So see y'all over there. All right, y'all. Well, it's back in. What I wound up doing with these is actually I took a tape from here to the end of the tie rod, or right here, and I measured with that tape just to kind of give me a rough estimate, because I'm taking this to the alignment shop once I get it off the jack stands. But you know, I just wanted to show y'all something. If y'all have one of these trucks, you know, it's like it's meant to go there. It's like it's supposed to be there. I don't understand why they put these brackets from the factory on there, but they don't put a stabilizer on it. So I'm gonna pick this one up. See if I can't find a part number for y'all. Come on, girl. There we go. There's the part number for it. If y'all have one of these. And that truck is the same way. I had it has a bracket as well, and it's got a Bilstein steering stabilizer in it. And I figured, well, why not? You know, I'll go and slap this one in and hopefully make it a little bit smoother steering, make it a little bit better on the highway and these rough roads down here in Louisiana. But so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. I have a couple other things I need to do. I need to put some pins up there in the control arm. As y'all seen from the last video, the pin's missing, so it's messing with my alignment on this side. This side's kind of angled in. So we're gonna go ahead and finish with this on the bottom side, and I might video me doing the pin
But, alright, let's go and get this taken care of.
Alright, y'all. Well, so, I guess I will video it after all. But, you can see I'm missing my alignment pin up here. I've got that one in there. It's kind of crooked, so I'm going to replace both of these. These look decent. Look like they're actually in there properly, somewhat. So, what I'm going to do is, so I don't have to pull this out, this bolts in. So, I'm going to unbolt this upper ball joint. I'm going to pull this whole sucker out so I can really actually get in and get her done. So, let's do it. Alright, well, that arm's out. And, come along with it, 2 other pins. Good thing I've got 8. I guess let's get to pushing them in. Hey guys, I wanted to kind of leave this in. So with those pins, it came with a little instruction book talking about, well, you can put these in using a pair of vice grips or a pair of channel locks. And frankly, I don't have a pair of vice grips big enough, and these channel locks just ain't doing it. But I thought I would just leave this in here just for y'all to see. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had to do some figuring on these. So the instructions that came with it said pair of vice grips or, you know, like a pair of channel locks. But I found that didn't work at all. You couldn't get it in, and if you did get it in, it would just come right on back out. So it's not pretty, but just a little spreader. I welded up. Like I said, it's not pretty. It don't look like it's actually holding in a couple spots, but it's getting the job done. It did those 2. So we got one more over here. This one's loose. To be honest with you, I'm really not sure what to do about that. It didn't fall out like the rest of them. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. But let's go and get this last one in real quick. Let's go ahead and put her in. See, I think part of my issue is these holes are wallered out, man. I mean, they really are. She's married. Still don't know what to do about that. It ain't coming out, so I figured we leave it. Let's get that set back in place. You ready to go ahead and put this back in. This one was here. Just like that. It's... Ooh. Back to where it was. Like I said, we'll take this to the alignment shop. Let them work their magic. I am not an alignment man. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up and call it good. Alright, y'all. Went ahead and got the truck back from the alignment shop, and it's driving straight as an arrow. So everything we did, looking good. We ain't got no crunch in the front end or nothing like that anymore. Ain't got it walking around. It can take bumps, and it don't want to throw you across the road. So I'd say this was a success. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here. If y'all enjoyed it, let me know. If y'all got any questions or anything like that, make sure to leave them in the comments. I'll be in there. Y'all need to talk about anything, I'll be there. So, alright guys, till the next time. Bye.